Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21, calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21, calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving me at all?
Calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Yep, Roger, receiving you loud and clear. No, that's not going to happen.
Tango 21, calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21, calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21 to Mr Chippie. I know that you are transmitting, getting no speech, but I do know you're transmitting. So if you'd like to get back in the car and stop outside Ancaster Church, please.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Nothing received. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear. Anything heard?
Okay, I can hear there's a bit of speech. It's not even radio 1, it's radio 0.5 if there was one. What I want you to do now is to go to the petrol station, and if you park this side of the petrol station, not the forecourt, and just sneak out with the radio from there, over.
Roger. Anything? Are you hearing me at all now? No.
Yeah, I think I heard the Tango 21 bit of your message back to me. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Yeah, receiving you loud and clear. I receive.
Right, Mr Chippie, I can tell it's your voice. You're radio 1. So I can't tell what you're saying. You're radio 1. So if you'd like to get back in the car, and it's end of the lane, over.
Yeah, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, receiving.
Right, I'm now receiving you, Mr Chippie. What you need to do is to really talk. I know it's going to spoil your camera and everything, but you will need to talk into that speaker, over.
Yeah, roger. Is that any better?
Yes, well, it's barely readable. It's, absolutely awful. So what we're going to do is I'm going to ask you to go to the concrete 100 yards from the property, over.
Yeah, roger. I'll do that then. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, receiving.
Yes, Tango 21 receiving with a distorted, off-frequency sounding heap of a signal, but we know it's not off-frequency, but it is just awful. Over.
Yeah, roger that. Well, I think that concludes it.
There we go. What a load of rubbish. I'll see you at Tango Towers. 10-10.
Roger, 10-10.